What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to send money through friends and family on PayPal. Now this is a great way, as it says, to send money to friends and family. You don't want to do this for any business transactions because once you send it, there's no going back. There's no possible refund unless they send it to you, but that's not going to happen if someone's trying to scam you or take your money. But this is just a simple way to send to friends and family without any extra fees or inconvenience. So you're going to hit the $sign at the bottom toolbar and then hit pay. And then you should be taken to this screen right here where you're going to search for somebody's name. You could search for their email, their phone number, their name itself. Whatever contact information you have, you're going to try to search it and then hopefully it could come up. From this screen here, you're going to enter a dollar amount. And then there's a message option that you could add. You don't always have to do it. Like if you're sending to somebody that's in the same room of you, they're obviously going to know what it's for. But if you're sending something from an invoice like a week ago, you might want to just leave a note. You might want to just leave a note anyway, just so you have a record and you're not looking back at a transaction in a year or so and have no idea what it's from. But that's pretty much all there is to it. As you're going to see, there's two options there for sending either friends and family or goods and services. You're obviously going to hit the goods and services, which should be the first one. And then from here, if this is your first time sending on PayPal to this person, you might have to confirm their information, but that should be no problem. Obviously, if it's friends and family, you're going to know their information anyway. PayPal just introduced this feature just in case somebody uses this improperly and sends it to somebody that's trying to take your money. At least if you could confirm the information, they know that they know you on a first and last name basis. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you have any questions or any confusion regarding this tutorial, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.